What's up, my dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna get out the driveway and do a little something different.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow.
All right, we are up Helen, Georgia. We're gonna take this trail, see how far we can make it with this. And your boy. There probably won't be much talking. It's probably just gonna be off-roading. And so if you like seeing that, keep watching. If not, have a good day. All right, bye.
What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did Yes, I did.
He good though, he got four-wheel drive. Yeah, that way. You're good. Oh, there you go.
Wow. Piece of cake.
The closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage. The scars that you don't let keep on my arms, I appear empty. Like a mirage, like a mirage.
Alright guys, so I interrupt my video because I'm going to explain the last end of it, because I did not record the last end of it because things started going wrong. Started going up the mountain, going up and up the mountain. A lot more mud puddles than I anticipated, but it's all good. You know, a little Jeep that could kept going. So after all those mud puddles, we just kept climbing and kept climbing. We got to this really nice waterfalls where we stopped and, well, you know, did a little quick photo shoot. So after the little photo shoot is when things started breaking. My friend Byron Yuck, I think his Instagram is Yucks JK or something like that. I'll put in the description, you guys, when I go check his stuff out. His GoPro falls off and he runs over it. After that happened, we just kept climbing and climbing up the mountain. It's a pretty tall mountain, and the more we got, the colder it got. It was, my temperature up here said it was 30-something degrees up at the top, so it was freezing. Plus, it was extremely windy. So when we finally got up to the top, we thought, hey, you know, it'd be a good idea. Let's put up the drone in like 30-mile-an-hour winds at the top of a mountain. Nothing. What will go wrong? Absolutely nothing. All right. Well, we made it to the top. I think, which is what's new in life. But it was fun. We gotta still get down. I don't know if we'll be able to. We gotta still get down. All that. Or that. But for now, we're gonna throw the drone up. Oh, there it is. Status update, we lost the drone. My knee's broken and my car's broken. Hopefully it hit a tree and just fell down. I think we found it. I think we found it. Oh God. I wasn't planning on climbing a mountain today with my 2 feet. Yeah. I didn't bring my hiking gear. Not that I have any. Ah!
We're just gonna go under it.
Update, got the drone back. We're gonna head back on the trail now. Alright. So yeah, we destroyed his drone. The whole thing was bent up. We lost a couple blades, but he has a warranty, so it should be good. So after all that happened, we were tired of recording stuff. We didn't put the GoPros back on. One of them was broken. Jeep was starting to act stupid. And, well, after we got the drone back together, we went, there's multiple paths once you get to the top of that trail. There's like 4 or 5, so we didn't know which one to get down because we had absolutely no cell phone service, so we could not check the maps, we couldn't do anything. So we just went down every single one. One was a dead end, the other one, there's no way in how we were gonna get it. Just went more up the mountain to like the very top of it. Then the other one was the exit. Once we finally got a little bit of service and we figured out the exit, but it was so washed out and rutted out because it's been raining here for a couple days. Neither of our Jeeps could make it. I don't think any Jeep without a substantial lift or tires could have made it through there. Even with his lift and my lift, even with his 4-wheel drive, it just wasn't working. So we ended up having to turn around and go back down the way we came, which we got down in like 2.6 seconds because we were flying and we knew what we were doing already because we had went up it. So once we got back down to the bottom, you know, we did another little photo shoot. Then after we did a little photo shoot, we went back and played in the mud for a little bit. I did get a little bit of GoPro footage of that, so here's that. So yeah, all in all, it was a very good trip for me and him. It was extremely fun. You know, Byron gave my Jeep a new name, the little Jeep that could, because no matter what, I only had to get pulled out of that very little rut in the beginning where my front axle hit the ground and it was stuck. That's the only time I had to get pulled out. And there was some really rough stuff that I wish I recorded, but I didn't, because it's really hard to drive and do this at the same time. If I was just riding with someone, it'd be a lot easier. Maybe next time we'll do a little bit better once I get a little more gear. But anyway, that was the trip. It was fun. For the 12 people that probably watched this far, because it's gonna be a long video no matter how much I edit it, I appreciate y'all watching this far. I want to do more stuff like that. I don't always want to do build videos and repair videos and stuff like that. I would like to do more stuff like that, so look for maybe that in the future once I get another vehicle that might be coming soon. I'm not gonna make any promises, because every time I say something it never happens, so I'm just gonna keep it to myself. Anyway, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, check out my boy I was with, Byron Yuck Kid JK, I think his Instagram is. It's in the description. That's it. I don't know why my neighbor has a fucking rooster, because I live 30 minutes out of Atlanta, but I guess it's in the country. Guess we need roosters, right? Anyway, guys, I will check y'all in the next video. Peace out, and keep moving. Damn it. Why do I keep using other people's shit? Bye.
And you a fool's gold. Yes, I did.